This is the new VOLTRX electric stainless steel mixer. You put this on the base, just clicks right in, it's magnetic. You add your liquid, then you're gonna add your protein, and then you just simply press the button, and it'll start mixing. This will mix in like 5 seconds, and it's done. Now, this is a great gift item. It's a great item, period. The only issue I have is basically this plastic lid that goes on top. It's not always the easiest to screw on. You have to be a little bit precise, but it's not a big deal, to be quite honest. And then the other great feature that this has, this spill-proof lid here. If I could open it. And basically with 2 turns, it locks it in and it becomes spill-proof.
If it or not, or if it'll last, because as you can see, the blade is plastic. So, we'll give it a try, but I'm still amazed that the cutter, the blade, the mixer, whatever it is plastic, of course.
Donc reçu comme ça, sans emballage au préalable. Reçu donc déjà déchiré. Voilà, donc reçu déjà déchiré.
It does not work, and I just got it out of the box today, and I have fully charged it, and it is not working. Sad day.